In this session, we will see what is DFS, how DFS will work, and at the end we will see DFS operations with an example. So, what is DFS? As the name suggests, depth first search algorithm starts with the starting node and then traverses each branch of the graph until it reaches to the leaf node. Then what is leaf node? Leaf node is a node that has no children. Once it reaches to the leaf node, then it backtracks towards the most recent node that is yet to be completely explored. This process is repeated until all the nodes of the graph are visited or explored. Next, we will see how DFS will work. First, it starts a graph traversal at an arbitrary vertex by making it as visited. So, in this example, the arbitrary vertex is 1. The graph traversal starts at an arbitrary vertex 1 and it marks it as visited. On each iteration, the algorithm proceeds to an unvisited vertex that is adjacent to the one it is currently in. Now we are finding the adjacent vertex for the current node. For the current node 1, the adjacent vertex is 2. This process continues until our graph traversal reaches a dead end. Then what is dead end? A vertex with no adjacent unvisited vertices is called dead end. So in this graph, our graph traversal DFS algorithm reaches a dead end. That is, there is no adjacent unvisited vertices for node 3. So now it reaches to dead end. So at the dead end, the algorithm backs up one edge to the vertex it came from and tries to continue visiting unvisited vertices from there. So from 3 there is no unvisited adjacent vertex. So again it back up to 2 and it will again check whether any other unvisited adjacent vertex is there. Yes, 4 is unvisited adjacent vertex. So it visit 4, then it will check whether any other unvisited adjacent vertex is there or not. For 4, there is no unvisited adjacent vertex. So again it back up to 2 and again it will check any other unvisited adjacent vertex is there. No, for 2 there is no unvisited adjacent vertex. So again it back up to 1 and again it will continue this process. For 1 also there is no unvisited adjacent vertex. So our algorithm ends it here. This is how a DFS algorithm will works. We will see one more example how DFS algorithm will works along with stack.